All right, guys, welcome back to the Crypto Boys. Joe P here with you for another episode. As we know, AI software, AI technology, AI anything is the hottest button topic right now. So I figured, hey, now is a great opportunity to discuss several different AI cryptos. What's going on with them? What the heck is going on? This is going to be a brief overview, so let's get it. My ugly mug is going to be off of the screen as much as possible in this video, so let's get to the first one, which is Fetch AI, number 137 on CoinMarketCap, trading at about 23 cents right now, just over that. The market cap is a small $194 million at this point, and the charts are looking about even right now. This is the daily. I mean, everything is up on the week, so nothing to see there. Well, what is Fetch AI? This is how I'm going to run all four of them. Founded in 2017. Basically, what it is, an artificial intelligence lab building an open, permissionless, decentralized machine learning network with a crypto economy. Fetch AI will give you access to AI technology with a permissionless network upon which anyone can connect and access secure datasets by using autonomous AI to execute tasks that leverage its global network for data. But why is it unique? That's the important part for me, is what makes this a little bit different. Its utility token, which it is FET, F-E-T, was designed to find, create, deploy, and train digital twins and is an essential part of the smart contract and Oracle on the platform. It is using this software technology to create this digital twin technology and utilize blockchain for it. Their website isn't overly fantastic. I'll be completely honest with you. If you're asking what is FET, it just tells you, well, it's a token that you use on the Fetch AI ecosystem. Well, yeah, no duh. That's not very helpful. The issue with these projects that I have is that I haven't followed it closely enough for long enough to know if they're actually doing what the roadmap says. But they do have a roadmap here. It's not overly long. They have new applications that they want to install. They want to make sure that the ecosystem is working well with all of their technology, collective learning, developer ecosystem, Ledger, and mainnet. So they're trying to get that on the Ledger. BotSwap is a part of it as well. One thing I like about them is their Twitter. Over 100,000 followers at this point, which, hey, maybe there's some bots on there. I don't know exactly, but what they do a phenomenal job of doing several Twitter spaces pretty regularly. I mean, if you scroll down through their feed over the last couple days, they've done a handful of them with a couple thousand viewing in for each of them. I mean, that's pretty important in my opinion. Here's the same thing. Here's another one. Here's another one. I mean, they got a lot of them going. It's kind of fishy, though, that all four of them say 1.4K tuned in, unless those are all exactly the same, which they're not. Next up, I've heard a lot about Ocean Protocol for a long time. Figured I'd just kind of look over it very briefly. What we got here, number 153 on CoinMarketCap, trading at about 26.5 cents. Market cap $161 million as of right now, so pretty tiny. Well, what is it? Ocean Protocol is a blockchain-based ecosystem that allows individuals and businesses to easily unlock the value of their data and monetize it through the use of ERC20 tokens. It is kind of interesting how they're using Ocean Protocol. The publishers can monetize their data while preserving privacy and control. So what they can do is put information out there or data out there, and you can kind of get paid for it through the Ocean Protocol, which is kind of nice. Why is it unique? Well, Ocean Protocol unlocks access to data that would previously be unavailable or challenging to access. All you have to do is pay a little bit in the Ocean token by allowing anybody with sought-after data set to tokenize their data and make it available on the Ocean Marketplace. That's kind of nice. It's kind of like that next step of how you gather legitimate data in the world. Ocean Protocol's website is a little small, I would say. It doesn't really have too much on here, basically talking about on and off ramps for data. I mean, you can look through this if you want. The data marketplace with blockchain superpowers. Don't know what that means. Buy and sell private data while preserving privacy. This is actually a very important piece of the puzzle, but I do want to look at the roadmap real quick too. The roadmap goes all the way back from 2017. The reddish purple one like we have here is stuff that looks like it's been complete. There's check marks. You can see all the way down 2018, 2019. But here we go, 2022. Q1, they got plenty of data. They got NFTs, monetized public testing, launch their stable assets. They got other stuff going on, data farming, and then now Q3 and Q4, they have gray ones. And then this one just says ongoing. It makes me think like, did they not have plans for the future? Are they done? Did they stop in Q2? They just said, yep, we're good with that. Or are these just simply not complete yet? They got pushed back funding issues, whatever. I'm not sure exactly. This is something that would be kind of an issue in my eyes of why did they stop growing? Their Twitter, though, a whopping 157,000 followers. Damn. That's a lot. Again, are they bots? I don't know. If they're doing AI software technology, they certainly could be. It's a lot of stuff that just looks kind of flashy on their Twitter here. I mean, it's just kind of pictures of things. I don't know how important any of this data really is. I'm not even gonna lie to you. This stuff it's interesting and brain twisting if you want to read into it. iExec RLC is next on our list, number 168 on CoinMarketCap, sitting at $1.63 currently. Market cap sitting at $132 almost $1 million right there. What is it? Well, it's the leading provider of blockchain-based decentralized computing. That is vague. That's very, very vague. Blockchain is utilized to organize market network where people can monetize their computing power as well as applications and even data sets. What makes it unique? You know, that's how we run this video. The iExec network has been made up of computing resource providers. They are known as iExec workers. If users want to be these workers, they can connect their machines and will be rewarded with RLC tokens for contributing their resources to the network. They're basically kind of being a validator type of deal. Like they're helping running and improve the network by plugging in and using their manpower, and they're getting rewarded with RLC 20 tokens. So yeah, it seems pretty standard, I guess, of how other blockchains work. So I don't know where the AI is really coming from. There certainly is. Let's switch over to their website. Their website is not very big. There's plenty of links to it, though, guys. I mean, again, this is the briefest overview. It's basically the 10,000 foot view. I would click around on here if you guys want. I did for a while, and again, I kind of got lost in it of like, oof, this information is silly how much there is to it. They got a small following on Twitter, 60,000, much more than the Crypto Boys, but it is what it is. You can go on here. It does say that they are hiring all over their Twitter. So interesting that they are hiring right now for AI computation and workload and plenty of other things. Why? I don't know. Maybe they're growing. Maybe they're growing in this up and coming bull market. I'm not sure exactly, but it is certainly interesting when you see a crypto company, especially AI software crypto company, hiring at this time. But it is what it is. And before we get into the last one, and the last one is probably my favorite, there's actually use case to it, it looks like to me. Really awesome stuff. Stick around for that next one. And if you haven't thus far, stop what you're doing. Like the video. If you haven't subscribed to the Crypto Boys, you might as well. Last but not least, kinda, we have a special announcement too. But Singularity Net, number 136 on CoinMarketCap, sitting at about 16 cents as the time of recording. Market cap $191 million. When I click over to their website, you're gonna see why I actually like this one. They actually have a marketplace that actually does something in real life. So it's very important. It's pretty cool. Singularity Net is a blockchain-powered platform that allows anybody to easily create, share, and monetize AI services thanks to its global access AI marketplace. This is just like the other one that we just talked about. You can monetize some of your technology stuff on there. So let's kind of look at what makes it unique. It's the first platform that makes it easy for developers to sell their AI tools and libraries and enables buyers to test any AI services provided on the marketplace to see if it meets their needs before making payment. Try it out. If it works for you, great. We will help you get access to the service. If it doesn't work for you, no harm, no foul, not a problem. You don't have to buy a single thing. Their website is pretty cool. I will give it to them. I feel like all these AI websites have like this ball that's morphing at all time. I guess that means AI or something like that. But you can certainly click around to their ecosystem. They have a really, really cool vision of being the world's leading decentralized AI marketplace running on blockchain. Our core mission is the development of artificial general intelligence, AGI, for a beneficial technological singularity. And here is their marketplace. If you click around, there's actually use case for this. Hey, this is what crypto is supposed to be for. Multilingual speech translator. You put your words in English and it'll pop it out something else. Punctuation and capitalization, we could probably use. I know plenty of people that are terrible with punctuation. What a great thing to use. Real-time voice cloning, Splitter and Deezer. Multi-speaker separation. You can split and splice the different versions of where you're talking. That's kind of cool. Speech command recognition, kind of like if you're talking to Siri. These things are cool. They're very cool. Singularity Net sent about 83,000 followers on Twitter, and we cannot talk about Singularity Net without talking about Singularity DAO. Singularity DAO, we've talked about a couple times on the channel. We are planning on doing an interview with one of the dudes from Singularity DAO, so looking forward to that here coming soon. Yeah, they have a lot of stuff going on. Yeah, there it is, right there, Singularity DAO, a bunch of other things going on. I think this is a helpful Twitter if you are in the AI space. It looks like the VP of products at Singularity Net goes on here, kind of gives you information, talks about AGIX economy. Really cool. Let's switch over to Singularity DAO. Singularity DAO, 611 on CoinMarketCap at time of recording, 32 cents market cap. Woo, that is small. Holy cow. $18 million right there. Woo! There's not much information on Singularity DAO. It's literally just a DAO. Singularity DAO has created the first decentralized non-custodial dynamic adjusted baskets of tokens, aka Dynasets. That's kind of their big thing. I'm not going to get too deep into this because, again, we are going to interview one guy. He can tell you all about it, and we'll go from there. Of course, their Twitter looks very sleek. It looks just like Singularity Net, of course, so you can scroll down through this. We've been looking at it here for a little bit now, kind of getting ourselves familiarized with how the AI Twitters kind of look and how their projects kind of look. So I'd like your guys' input. I want to know, what is your guys' pick for the AI technology in the crypto space moving forward? One of these AI technology cryptos are going to be the future. And again, it's complex. It's really difficult. It's twisted, and there's so many ways around it because it's new and it's developing. We need more education on it is what it comes down to. So hopefully this video has been educational to you. Smash the like button, hit the subscribe button if you have not. And of course, thanks for rocking with the fittest crypto channel on YouTube.